Introduction to Raja Groups. 1. Narration. Welcome to Raja Groups, where we connect knowledge with real-world applications. Founded by Mr. Raja, the visionary founder, CEO, and developer, Raja Groups aims to uplift aspiring developers by providing a platform where students can gain hands-on experience in the tech industry. Vision and mission. 1. Vision. Raja Groups envisions a world where every student has the opportunity to learn, innovate, and lead in technology. 2. Mission. Under the leadership of Mr. Raja, we are here to bridge the gap between education and industry, preparing young developers for a successful career in tech. Young Developers, a unique sub-organization. 1. Narration. One of our core initiatives is Young Developers, a program designed for students to work on live projects and gain practical skills. Young Developers offers mentorship, project-based learning, and networking opportunities to give students a real-world tech experience. Services and offerings. 1. Highlight offerings. Workshops, training sessions, internships, and web development resources. 2. Include. Our goal is to build a community that supports each member's growth and development, from beginner to advanced levels. Future plans. 1. Looking ahead. Raja Groups plans to expand its community globally, providing services, resources, and mentorship to young developers around the world. About Raja. Raja Developers' journey in tech started as a BCA student, driven by an insatiable curiosity to explore the digital world. Recognizing the potential of web development early on, Raja poured time and energy into mastering essential web technologies, starting with HTML, CSS, and advancing to complex JavaScript frameworks, backend development with Flask, and database management. With knowledge expanding beyond just web development, he also studied data structures, algorithms, and other programming languages, all with a clear goal of becoming a skilled full-stack developer. Not content with stopping there, Raja's commitment led him to pursue additional certifications and internships, taking practical steps to gain industry insights and skills. This dedicated approach not only honed his technical expertise but also inspired Raja to help others embark on a similar journey, which ultimately led to the creation of Raja Groups. Raja Developers' dream materialized in the form of Raja Groups, an organization designed to bridge the gap between academic learning and practical experience. Raja Groups provides a platform where young developers can gain hands-on skills, work on real-world projects, and prepare themselves for successful careers in tech. Central to this mission is the Young Developers Initiative, a sub-organization under Raja Groups that gives college students opportunities to engage in live projects, industry-based problem-solving, and networking, allowing them to develop a portfolio even before they graduate. Raja Developers' vision with Young Developers is to nurture a generation of technically adept, confident young professionals ready to contribute meaningfully to the tech industry. He understands the importance of hands-on learning, which is why Young Developers emphasizes mentorship, collaboration, and innovation over traditional textbook-based learning. Raja's approach to education is based on the belief that knowledge should be engaging, interactive, and accessible. His organization, Raja Groups, is not just a place for students to learn, it's a community where they can challenge themselves, collaborate with peers, and build confidence. Through a range of workshops, internships, and community events, Raja Groups offers a more immersive and practical tech education, which is critical for students aiming to make their mark in the tech industry. While Raja Developer has already achieved remarkable progress with Raja Groups, his aspirations extend beyond its current scope. Raja has plans to further his education with an MCA and aims to gain experience with top-tier tech companies like Google. With his sights set on expanding Raja Groups globally, he hopes to reach students worldwide, providing them with the resources, mentorship, and support they need to succeed in technology. Ultimately, Raja aspires to create a personal kingdom in the tech world, a place where he and his team can make a lasting impact, inspire confidence, and foster innovation. Raja's leadership isn't just about technical expertise, it's about inspiring others, nurturing talent, and building a supportive community. Raja Developer embodies the values of teamwork, continuous learning, and resilience. Through Raja Groups, he is already making a profound impact, equipping others with the skills and confidence needed to pursue their dreams in tech. With every project and initiative, Raja is laying down a foundation of growth, collaboration, and opportunity for the next generation of developers. Raja developer's journey is a testament to what can be achieved through passion, hard work, and a clear vision. With plans for global expansion, educational pursuits, and a dedication to community building, Raja developer is on the path to making a lasting impact in technology. His efforts through Raja Groups are not only empowering others but are also setting a new standard for tech education and mentorship. Call to action. 1. Join Raja Groups today to unlock your full potential. Visit rajagroups.com and be part of a movement toward innovation and opportunity.